everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm back with another crochet technique tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get started with your crochet chain without a slip knot. So believe it or not, I started this chain without a slip knot, and you can tell because there's no weird little knot at the end that is normally caused by a slip knot, and this just causes a smoother transition between rows and things like that. Some people are just kind of nitpicky about how the ends of their projects look. Don't really fault them there. It's all chalked up to personal preference. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. To be honest, if you know how to cast on when you knit, then you know how to do this technique. Okay, it's that easy. So without further ado, I'm going to dive right into it. So first I'm going to just pull this apart here. And what I'm going to do, put my needle aside. What we're going to do is we are going to create a loop with our yarn like this, with our tail like this, okay? And you want this loop here. You want to make sure that the working yarn is to the back of this and that the actual tail end is towards the front. What you're going to do is take your non-working hand and insert it from left to right between the two strands of yarn like this. Okay, once you do that, you are going to grab the tails with your remaining fingers and you're going to stretch your pointer finger and your thumb out like this, creating something of a slingshot look. Okay, and you're going to take a crochet hook and you're going to lay it over top of this strand that's being stretched out. You're going to point down and you're going to twist towards yourself and back up to where the hook is now again over top of this strand. The only difference now is that you have this twist in your yarn, which is important. You want to keep that. Now I'm going to retension my yarn. So if you have to use the hand that you're holding your hook in to pinch that twist in there, do so that you can tension your yarn and that you don't lose that twist. And then what you're going to do, okay, then what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and yarn over and pull through the loop that is on your hook, and that creates our first chain. And so you can just from here continue chaining as you normally would. For this method, I like to leave a really decent amount of tail, like more than I normally would, because I am paranoid in my projects and I wouldn't want that to slip out and just destroy my whole foundation chain. But okay, I'm going to get in closer and we're going to do that again. Okay, so that is creating a loop with your yarn where the cut side, the tail, is towards you, facing towards you, and that the working yarn is to the back. Okay, we are then going to take our non-working hand with our pointer finger and our thumb. We're going to go inside that loop. We're going to use our remaining fingers to grab the end or the base of the yarn so that we can create this slingshot thing. Okay, and you don't have to be super dramatic in the way that you stretch out the yarn here. You just want enough to create tension. Okay, and now you're going to take your crochet hook, lay it over top, point down, go under and twist towards yourself, and go back over top. Okay, now we're going to retension. So I'm holding that twist in place with my right hand here, and I'm just tensioning my yarn on my left hand. I don't want to do that too tightly because otherwise you'll kind of fumble it, as you saw in the previous clip. Okay, and then I'm just going to yarn over like I normally would and pull through that loop, and it's fully adjustable, but there's my first chain. And again, you can just chain to your heart's content. This is very easy to weave in seamlessly as you go, so once you turn back and start working the other way, you could very easily just weave it in as you go and not be bothered with it later. Okay? So that's how you do a chain without creating a slip knot. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future Infiniti Crafting Co. crochet tutorials. Say that 3 times fast. If you're looking for more from me, I do have Instagram and a bunch of other social media that you can find linked in the description box. If you've been here for a while and you just found this title interesting, you're hopping on for the one time, I just started a crochet knitting, central knitting machine pattern club over on my website. Head over there and sign up for that today if you'd like to support my content and also get patterns in the process. I release 2 a month, full written patterns along with video tutorials, so even if you can't read crochet patterns, you can still make my creations and designs. It'd make me very happy to see you guys over there making my things and showing me your whips. So again, if that is interesting, that is out there for you guys. Just hit that Hey Craftpreneur tab when you head over to my website. It's also directly linked in the description box below. Alright, thanks for watching everybody, and until next time, happy making.